Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying a past change, something that used to be true but isn't now. Once you see that shift, choose no longer to mark the ended state. It signals a past stop rather than ongoing negation. Make sure to pair it directly with verbs, not adjectives alone. Avoid using no longer for future or habitual negation. If the time frame matters, add a reference, last year, after June, since the upgrade, so your listener clearly knows when the change occurred. You now focus on placement. Put no longer immediately before the main verb when possible. Is no longer available reads cleanly and natural. Once done, insert it after auxiliary verbs carefully. With perfect tenses, native speakers often prefer rephrasing to avoid awkwardness. Make sure to keep word order simple in spoken speech to preserve clarity. If you need emphasis, use intonation or a pause rather than odd punctuation. Practice by swapping no more. You finish by checking for errors. Do not double negate. Not no longer is incorrect and confusing. Once done, confirm tense consistency. Using will no longer is acceptable only when you explicitly predict or schedule a future stop, so state the time. Make sure to rephrase if the sentence becomes clunky in passive or perfect forms. Shorter active sentences read better. If confusion persists, swap to no more in casual speech or add a time marker to clarify when the change happened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.